but y'all can see how I feel. I'm feeling real good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Guys, I know it has been so long. It has been so long. I come and I go. I come and I go. Life is lifing. Life is always lifing for me. Stuff is always happening. But the beauty of God, I'm sorry if you don't believe in God, but I do. He will always bring you back. And that's all I can say about that. Anyway, things happen, but you will get through it. It's temporary. Even if it's a lifelong condition, you can get through it. You will get through it. The way you feel, the way... Let's jump into this video. So today I want to review this wig for y'all, and I'm so happy that this is the first wig that I'm reviewing because it really did bring life to me. This is from the Outre Swoop collection. Now this is a wide part wig, meaning we're getting a standard part. I'm gonna tell y'all all that in the video, but you know what, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do like to do a lot of wig content on this channel. I like to do some makeup, some nails. Give this video a thumbs up because it does help push me out. Let's go ahead and jump. Hey my beautiful friends, y'all miss me? I missed y'all. So this wig is from the Perfect Hairline wide part series. This is the wide part 203 wig, and I have the color number 2. It comes in a lot of other pretty colors. Y'all, I was excited. This wig, I haven't filmed in a long time. I missed y'all. How y'all doing? Anyway, you see the texture on this wig. It's a wide part. It's literally very beginner friendly. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band so you can wear her glueless. Okay. So the way I put my wigs on is I always start off with a wig cap. I store mine in these pouches. They're clutch. I'll leave a link down below under Wig Essentials. My hair is nice and flat as you see, and I put my wig cap on and then I put on my wig. So right now I'm just filling out this wig because I haven't put on a wig in a while. I haven't filmed in a while. Oh my goodness, it's been too long. Anyway, y'all see this wig? I was Bobina for sure. Y'all know how I feel about bobs, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you exactly how I feel. The cap was feeling nice and I was looking good. I was looking real good. Okay, girl, you see that flow? You see that flow? So to install the wig, I'm using Lace Tint, my daily lace adhesive spray. This one is my new favorite. I'll tell y'all later. In a lace melting spray. Get these scissors. I'm gonna leave all this stuff under Wig Essentials down below. So I like to tint the lace and then I cut the lace. I was trying to show y'all how I cut the lace, but then I kind of forgot how to film it, and this is what it looked like after I cut it. You want that jagged edge so it doesn't look too like straight and harsh. I've been using micellar water on my forehead. I'm wiping off all of the makeup where I'm gonna apply that lace adhesive spray. Before I used to use alcohol, but micellar water is a little, you know, less harsh for your skin, so I'll leave that down below too. So you can wear this wig glueless. I was totally feeling this wig. I could have ended the video right here. Yes! Guys, I literally just put this wig on my head. I didn't even install it yet. Look at that. You can wear this wig glueless. It fit really nice. And you can totally stop here, but I'm going to install it with my daily lace adhesive spray. And I just go in and I apply a little bit of adhesive right above my hairline. And I just dry it down a little bit until I get it nice and tacky. I'm combing some of the hair back to get it out of the way. And this Conair Dr. Knot hair dryer, I really like it. All of the stuff will be linked down below. So I'm just pressing that lace right on that adhesive and drying it down some more. I really like this adhesive, guys. It dries super fast and I really like it. I mean, but I like a lot of adhesives, but this one is my new favorite. So now I'm just doing the sides. I couldn't decide if I wanted to like just do the front. You could totally get away with just doing the front of this wig, but I just wanted to melt the whole thing so you could see exactly how it was looking because this was the first wig review that I was filming for you guys in a long time, so I had to show y'all how to lay it and how I get these results of my daily slay. So the same thing on each side. I like to work in sections. If you noticed, I go in the middle and then I just do the sides. I apply the adhesive, let it get a little tacky, and then I just apply that lace right over it. Now I'm telling y'all, get these bags. These bags is where I store all these little gadgets. So this is my lace melting band and this is melted and it's looking so nice. So now I'm just gonna clean up all that residue and adhesive. Again, I love this adhesive because it doesn't leave a lot of residue, guys. Like, it really is really good. And because this is from the Swoop series, I am combing down those baby hairs, but I am cleaning up the residue on the actual hair with my rubbing alcohol. So I like the rubbing alcohol and the micellar water. It just depends on where you're like cleaning up, like your forehead or the hair, if that makes sense. It's coming together so nice. It's so cute, guys. This wig like really was easy to apply. I just cut like a little bit in the front there. I don't know if it was too much lace or what. I'm pulling off some of these baby hairs because I'm trying to get more natural looking effect. I went in with this Lotta Body foam. This is just setting lotion, so it's going to give it like a soft hold. It's not going to give it a firm hold like using gel, so that's why I used that. But I think it held up for quite a bit. She was looking nice. These are the swoops. These are the swoops from this collection. Now for final touches, this is when I use the lace melting spray. I feel like this really melts in that lace. Like it just adds like a nice finishing touch, and I definitely learned to apply it with my fingers, as you saw, or with a brush instead of spraying it on. Now I'm just using my hot comb and just smoothing it out. You don't have to do all this stuff. I'm just showing you guys these steps of how I achieved my look, you know. And now I'm going in with a little bit of powder. This is good for the lace in the middle to make it look more scalp like. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know the drill. And that's the final look. I'm done putting on this wig. She is so cute, y'all. How are you guys doing? I missed you guys. I know. I come and I go. I come and I go. I come and I go. But God is so good. God is so amazing. I feel like life just be lifing, y'all. Things always are happening. It's so many updates. It's so many updates in life. Y'all let me know if y'all want to hear some updates. If y'all want me to do a random update video. But this video is not for that. This video is for this bob. That is bobbing. I just feel like I came to life, and I haven't felt that way in so long. And I'm just so grateful. And it's just sometimes so much bigger than a wig. But we not gonna do that. We not gonna do that, y'all. My daughter told me don't do that on this video, because this video is a wig review on this wig. Let's talk about this wig. So this wig is from the Outre Y-part lace front collection. This is from the Perfect Hairline Swoop series. Now the Perfect Hairline is normally a 13x6 lace front. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some specs, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel. But y'all can see how I feel. I'm feeling real good. So the Y-part collection. So this is a branch off from the Perfect Hairline collection, the Swoop series. Now, instead of working with the whole 13x6 lace frontal, we are just getting a Y-part, meaning a standard lace part, but a little bit wider, where you have a little bit more parting space where you can play with. So you're gonna get a little bit more lace in the front here, as you see. And it's just going to be a little bit more lace going across, okay, instead of a standard lace part. So that way you can play with it just a tad. It's a tad bit of playing. If you want, you can pluck, you know. I think that's why they're giving us some lace, but y'all know me. Once I put my wigs in position, I like to keep them exactly where they are. The cap feels okay. Keep in mind that my hair is very flat. I do have braids under my hair. I feel like if your hair is flat, you can get away with wearing a style like this, but if it's bulky, it's going to look a little bulky. But I do recommend going in with flat hair. If you have been following me for a while, I didn't used to like bobs, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with bobs. The end of summer is happening. It's going into fall, but this bob is everything. This bob is everything. This is the Y-part 203, and it's 12 inches. So I do have the color number 2. There are a lot of pretty colors in here. There's a flamingo pink, which is on the stock card. California blonde. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. It was a lot of noise out there. You're going to get some blondes, some reds, some ginger, browns, and there's a jade blue and a flamingo pink in here. I am debating on going back and getting more colors because this bob is bobbing. Now, I haven't tried any wigs in this Perfect Hairline Swoop series with the whole 13x6 lace frontal, but what it is about this Swoop collection is basically these extra swoops. They're giving us the hairs for the swoop. So for all my swoop girlies, this collection is for you. You don't have to swoop if you don't want to, but they're giving us that extra hair that long hair if you want to swoop it. So I don't think that's necessary with this bob. You literally can just put it on and go. And as far as the install goes, guys, y'all saw how I did it. I mean, hopefully you didn't skip past that part. That's why I give you all that information in the videos. I put lace tint spray. You can go in with some powder. I did use lace adhesive spray, but this wig, you can totally wear this wig glueless, guys. I did use my Isha Melt and Slay Daily Lace Adhesive Spray. Now this says glueless, meaning it's not going to hold forever. So this is a daily hold. Yes, we're holding right here, but as soon as you put some water and a little bit of shampoo, whatever, it's going to come up. It's going to come up, but I feel like it gives it a good hold for a day or two. I highly recommend this. If you're not familiar, I'm going to leave everything that I used under Wig Essentials, because y'all know how to do. I give you the information. It's under Wig Essentials. Now, how do I feel about this wig? I actually love her. I love this wig. I love that this is the first wig I have tried in a long time to give me life. She's very pretty. Now, this is a synthetic wig, y'all. She's flowing. She's doing what she needs to do. But keep in mind, synthetic wigs will do what they need to do. And eventually, they do tangle. They do get a little frayed. They do get a little stiff. But this one right here, because of the texture on this, it is silky, but it's not Barbie doll silky. It's a really nice texture. I feel like this is going to hold up for a while. And I also feel like going in with a little heat is going to help with those frayed ends. It's not tangly right now because it's so short. I love this wig. She's a perfect everyday wig. Like if you got to go to work, if you just got to go to the store. I could see me wearing this wig for a whole week. Now, because like I said, she is synthetic, keep in mind that, you know, she might start getting a little stiff. I think if you go in with a little bit of heat, you can maintain this wig for a while, y'all. She is cute. She is so cute. There's not much else to tell y'all about this wig except I think she's a winner. And that's it. That's it, y'all. She's a beautiful wig. She is absolutely gorgeous. These press-on nails are pretty new. I'm going to leave a link to the shirts, the earrings, all that stuff. I'll definitely leave a link on the Shop My Look. I think I made a reel, or I will, of my nails. Y'all know I wear these press-on nails and the rings. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Hit that subscribe button if you like content like this, because I'm trying to get back in the flow of doing things. But anyway, until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.